What if your eye was the most powerful camera on Earth? Billions of colors and stars, millions of light years away. But what is its true resolution? Is it sharper than full HD? Better than 8K? Today we reveal the answer. As NASA scientist Dr. Roger Clark once said, the human eye can resolve about 576 megapixels, but only in the very center of our vision. In simple terms, the eye focuses its highest detail in a tiny central area called the fovea. The rest has lower resolution, but it's great for motion and light detection. So it's not 576 megapixels all at once. Your brain builds the full picture as your eyes move around. Did you know your eye can detect a single photon in complete darkness? That's like seeing one tiny particle of light across the universe. So yes, in the very center, your eye can beat 8K, but your brain fills in the rest.
Subscribe to GlitchRoast and share this video with friends. Don't miss the next What If.